Who are we protecting from whom?
Ubundi turi kurinda bande tubarinda iki? Ya magambo wa mwana yamubwiye.
Child asked this of me last night. He said, "Are you protecting the streets from us?"
Hari umwana twaraye tuganira n'injoro arambwira ngo ese muri kuturinda imihanda yanyu ngo tutayanduza cyangwa muri kuturinda ngo tutajya kuba mu mihanda. Nanje nabuze icyo musubiza.
Is there anyone here who can answer this question?
Basi muri mwe hari uwaza ngasubiza icyo kibazo. Turi kurinda bande tubarinda iki? Turi kurinda abana ngo batatwanduriza imihanda tugapakira mayibobo cyangwa turi kurinda abana ngo batagira ubuzima bubi baje mu muhanda.
For the last 15 years.
Imyaka isaga 15 ishize.
That kid brought my son home last night.
Uriya mwana ijoro ryashize yazanye umuhungu wanjye mu rugo yasinze.
Was in a very hard situation and I didn't even thank him. Did you thank him, my son?
Wigeze umushimira mwana wanjye?
Carla?
Kandi ari umwana wo mu muhanda. Karera wigeze umushimira?
You didn't. I didn't.
Ntabwo mwigeze mumushimira.
Instead, I offered him money.
Namubwiye ngo muhe amafaranga. Ntabwo nigeze mushimira nabifashe nk'igihe.
For his service and send him away from my house.
Ngo mwishyure amvire mu nzu agenda.
Keep my children away from him.
Nakira ngo amvire mu bana nyine abana bacu badahura.
He said,
nawe usyambwiye
him from the street. I was trying.
Yambwiye ko umwana we namukuye mu
my family from him instead. But he helped us, you know.
Ariko yadufashije kandi ari umwana wo mu muhanda. Bose bumva.
I think we have to accept the truth now, everyone.
Ubu rero ndagera twese twakira ukuri.
Kids at all.
Twakira ukuri twese. Tanze speech ko yatanze speech. Hakuno.